Did you know that not all embryos that get mosaic PGT-A results are actually mosaic embryos? The genetic material that we get from embryos has to undergo a process called amplification to make the sample bigger. In the top example, the amplification happened normally, but in the bottom example, amplification happened abnormally, and some parts of the sample were amplified more than others. The part that got amplified too much would produce a mosaic PGT-A result for an extra chromosome, when in reality the cells had normal chromosomes to start with and were not mosaic. This is one of the ways that mosaic PGT-A results can be false positives, making results look mosaic when the embryo isn't. If you want to learn about this and more about mosaic results, join me at my Mosaic Embryo workshop happening this weekend. Recordings will be available if the timing doesn't work for you. Link is in my bio if you want to register, or comment below and I'll DM it to you.